أصبحنا النهاردة أكبر شركة موجودة في مجال الأوفشور في العالم. ده يعتبر إنجاز اتحقق بفضل تعاون التيم كله وبفضل مجهوداتهم، وإن شاء الله نكمل على نفس الأداء بتاعنا ونحسن منه، وإن شاء الله نوصل لمرحلة أكبر في السنة دي.
This has triggered the need of thinking in the white spaces to come up with a game changer that will step up Ades safety performances by addressing these recurrent causes.
This is our main strategy when we are building new solutions in Ades. Rigeye is a true example of this strategy, as we are using cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect unsafe acts and behaviors.
In my view, the Rigeye technology is a step change towards safer and smarter rig operations, which is closely in line with the expectations of the industry and our direct stakeholders. This has a particularly significant value in our operations in Saudi, given the remoteness of our rigs and the spread of our operation footprint across the large Saudi fields.
فوجود العوامل دي كلها الدرايفر الأساسي إن احنا نكيب سيف اوبريشن، مع وجود young generation able to use this technology، مع وجود التكنولوجي and we can apply it to our industry، سهل لنا او اصبح instrumental في تحقيق اللي احنا عايزينه، او ان احنا نخلق حاجه جديده اسمها Rigeye technology اللي هي بتاعتنا احنا كادس. This is we invented this and we believe ان مع الكالتشر change، مع الفيجن بتاعتنا، مع الديسبلين بتاعنا، هنقدر نحققها في الواقع عشان تحقق لنا فعلا incident free environment. أحب إن أنا أرحب بأدس امبلويز اللي هم جزء من العيلة الكبيرة بتاعتنا. العامل الرئيسي لاختراع الريجاي هم 3 حاجات. نمرة 1 كان دايما الشاغل الأساسي بتاعي أنا شخصيا في very high risk operations اللي احنا بنعملها، إزاي نحافظ على الناس بتاعتنا وإزاي إن احنا نخليهم يشتغلوا في سيف اوبريشن. وده هدفنا إن احنا نقلل الريكوردبل انسيدنتس اللي بتحصل، وبالتالي نقلل ال TIs ونقلل اي نوع من انواع الحوادث الموجوده على الريجز، وان شاء الله نوصل ultimately speaking للزيرو انسيدنت انفايرمنت، بحيث ان كل واحد في الاخر خالص يؤدي عمله according للبروسيس المطلوبه منه، وفي نفس الوقت تبقى سيف انفايرمنت نقدر نحمي نفسنا ونحمي زملائنا ونحمي الاسيتس بتاعتنا ونحمي الكلاينتس بتاعتنا. فده هيؤدي لبيتر بيرفورمانس، بيتر سيف اوبريشن، بيتر كلاينت انتيمسي اند كلاينت ساتسفاكشن، which hopefully ان شاء الله هتخلينا في الاخر نبقى البريفيرد كونتراكتور بالنسبه للكلاينت. بس في الاول وفي الاخر السيفتي بتاعت الناس والامان بتاعهم ان هم يرجعوا بيتهم بدون اي مشاكل او حوادث، هو ده الالتيميت جول بتاعنا. جزء كبير من الكروز بتاعتنا دلوقتي اصبح سنه النهارده اقل من 25 سنه، فاصبح الناس دي عندهم الابيليتي لاستخدام التكنولوجي، ما اصبحتش عائق، بالعكس هم الناس النهارده عايزه كل حاجه فيها تكنولوجي، بالنسبه لهم از مور اتراكتيف. الجزء الثالث ان اصبح النهارده في تكنولوجي enabling us، بيسمح لنا ان احنا نطبق افكار كانت زمان نظريه او كان صعب تحقيقها، اللي هي سواء كانت على مستوى الديجيتاليزيشن للكاميرز او على مستوى الارتفيشال انتليجنس. فوجود العوامل دي كلها الدرايفر الاساسي ان احنا نكيب سيف اوبريشن، مع وجود young generation able to use this technology، مع وجود التكنولوجي and we can apply it to our industry، اصبح instrumental في تحقيق اللي احنا عايزينه، او ان احنا نخلق حاجه جديده اسمها Rigeye technology اللي هي بتاعتنا احنا كادس. This is we invented this and we believe ان مع الكالتشر change، مع الفيجن بتاعتنا، مع الديسبلين بتاعنا، هنقدر نحققها في الواقع عشان تحقق لنا فعلا incident free environment.
Over the last few decades, the safety performances, general awareness and overall culture of the drilling industry have improved to an acceptable level. However, accidents are still occurring with some unfortunate life-changing consequences. Our studies reveal that many of these incidents were due to many common and similar root causes. This has triggered the need of thinking in the white space to come up with a game changer that will step up other safety performances by addressing these recurrent causes. Our approach was to explore the option of using artificial intelligence to enable our operation on anticipating undesired events. Second to known that any initiative will not achieve the expected return on the investment if the basics and fundamentals are not firmly established. And prior to roll out Rigeye technology, we have made sure that those fundamentals are deeply embedded in our daily operation. The Rigeye technology has been introduced to proactively address incidents by eradicating the substandard act and conditions across our locations. Rigeye is an Ades technology integrating the static continuous CCTV camera surveillance coupled to on-demand helmet device recording and detecting the substandard act and conditions. The detection happens while correlating the actual events and compare them to the machine self-learn database using an algorithm. This will result in generating an email notification or an alarm depending on the severity. The notification will be received by a group of pre-selected team members. This technology will also help us on training our workforce by downloading the footage and show our crews what good and bad look like. We can also remotely run hazard hunt, participate in job safety analysis, and in situ pre-job safety meeting. The last but not least, we have the capabilities of conducting remote field visit and any required virtual support in case of logistical constraint. Rigeye is not a substitute to our workforce reporting culture and engagement, but rather a complementing tool that will proactively be used to improve, sustain our long path to zero incident working environment.
Our employees are our main assets, and their safety is our ultimate goal. This is our main strategy when we are building new solutions in Ades. Rigeye is a true example of this strategy, as we are using a cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect unsafe acts and behaviors. Rigeye system analyzes the video streams captured from all video devices such as CCTV, helmet cameras, and even mobile phones, using industrial artificial intelligence algorithms. It's fully integrated with our safety system to register a CAPA once a case is detected. It can also trigger a sound alarm in severe cases that require immediate action. In addition, with the built-in artificial intelligence, it can identify red zones and build a geofencing patterns to alert technicians once entering any critical area. We designed Rigeye based on three main pillars. First, to be a secure system that keeps all the data protected against all kinds of cybersecurity attacks. In simple words, what happens on the rig stays on the rig, as all the data are being analyzed locally on the rig servers. Second, low initial investments by using all kinds of available assets on the rig, like surveillance CCTV, network infrastructure, as well as Wi-Fi systems. And finally, it's real time, as all streams are being analyzed in real time to provide immediate alerts to unsafe acts. For all these reasons, we believe that Rigeye will be a leap towards Safety 4.0 era.
In my view, the Rigeye technology is a step change towards safer and smarter rig operations, which is closely in line with the expectations of the industry and our direct stakeholders. On the safety front, the technology helps rig crews stay laser focused on safety on board their rigs. That is achieved through continuous surveillance of rig activity, automated real-time detection of the development of any unsafe working conditions or any unsafe behaviors, then instantaneously turning that into actionable observations, triggering the usual system support through management notifications, tracking, and timely closure monitoring. This incentivizes rig crews to stay safety conscious the entire time. On the smarter rig operations front, the technology eliminates the challenges that are usually associated with supporting rigs remotely. The impressive interactive helmet gear piece of the technology helps the rig crews gain access to any form of support, that being archive documentation or live human-to-human interface with subject matter expertise anytime and on demand. This has a particularly significant value in our operations in Saudi, given the remoteness of our rigs and the spread of our operation footprint across the large Saudi fields. I'm quite excited about the deployment of the Rigeye technology across our operations, and I believe the sky's the limit as to what can be achieved with the technology moving forward.
احنا النهارده بنتكلم على مستوى شركه عالميه، نتكلم على اكبر شركه في المجال بتاعنا، فلازم ان احنا نقود من هذا المستوى وليس مجرد ان احنا نديليفر وخلاص. لازم يبقى عندي درايفنج لايسنس صالحه، وعشان يبقى عندي درايفنج لايسنس صالحه لازم ان انا ابقى فاهم ان السيفتي هي درايفنج لايسنس صالحه، واللي احنا بنقدمه له النهارده هو جزء مهم جدا عشان يخلي القياده بتاعته قياده سهله، قياده ممتعه، قياده امنه عشان نوصل للهدف بتاعنا.